Investing in a backup camera for your car is a wise decision that significantly enhances safety and convenience. These cameras provide an extra set of eyes, reducing the risks associated with blind spots and potential obstacles when reversing. The clear, real-time view displayed on the dashboard or rearview mirror allows drivers to navigate tight parking spaces, avoid pedestrians or obstacles, and make more informed decisions, especially in situations where visibility is limited. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 best backup cameras that won't break the bank. If you enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below. Now let's hop into it. The HD eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera. The HD eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera has a crystal clear image and amazing night vision. It has 6 glass lenses, 100% true color reproduction, 149-degree viewing angle, and the latest upgraded chip that generates clear real-time video. The 10 LED lights illuminate automatically, offering a great color image in the dark for safe reversing and driving. This universal rearview camera is designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, and sedans. It can run on 12 or 24 volts DC power and includes a 26-foot RCA video cable, making this camera easily suitable for most vehicles. It will work with your aftermarket stereo, monitor, or screen that has an RCA camera connector. This backup camera works well with newer and older vehicles. The backup camera is highly waterproof. It is made with high-purity resin and is IP69K International Waterproof Standard. So this backup camera can be used in rain, sleet, snow, or the sweltering heat, day or night. The Natika Backup or Front View Camera. The Natika Backup Camera has an IP69K waterproof rating, so there's no need to worry about water damaging your camera. It has a fully sealed metal housing and is suitable for use in the rain, sleet, snow, and the blistering heat of the summer. The Natika Backup Camera for car sports a 170-degree, adjustable, super wide viewing angle lens, making it easy to check blind spots and making parking safe and simple. This camera is universal and will fit most cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, and RVs. It can be powered with 12 or 24 volts DC power. The Natika reverse camera can be used as a front or rear-facing camera. It will work with your aftermarket radio, screen, or monitor and includes a 26-foot-long video cable. Note, if you're connecting this backup camera to your factory head unit, please purchase the suitable wiring harness to complete the installation. The Foxpark Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The Foxpark Wireless Backup Camera is equipped with an HD 1080p 5-inch monitor and delivers a vivid image during day or night. It delivers a clear image in low light or dark environments, ensuring clear visibility and safety while reversing. Rechargeable with solar power. This wireless backup camera for car features a solar panel to keep your device fully charged in strong sunlight. You may also recharge the portable camera with a USB cable in winter or when there is a lack of strong sunlight. IP69 waterproof. The Foxpark wireless backup camera for car is designed with PCB coating and sealing adhesive. You can rest assured your camera will withstand the rain and other harsh weather elements. The WolfBox 4K mirror and dash cam backup camera. Stunning 2160p 4K UHD and enhanced night vision. With the built-in high-quality chip, the WolfBox backup camera can record in 4K for front images and in 1080p for rear images. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than an ordinary rearview mirror that significantly reduces rearview blind spots. 12-inch screen. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lens provide an ultra-wide view, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving or reversing. With the Smart Screen Split function, you can observe a dual-lens display simultaneously. Its OEM look allows the mirror camera to be easily integrated with the existing rearview mirror. GPS tracking all the time. With the external GPS antenna plugged in, you can view the GPS info on display and playback recorded videos on the GPS player. You can check the dual-channel videos on one screen and also accurately trace back all the GPS metrics. 24-hour precise parking monitor. Aside from loop recording for safe driving, with the WolfBox backup camera, your car will still be monitored after being parked. The time-lapse mode monitors your vehicle at very low FPS, saving power and capacity while recording activity around your vehicle. The Auto-Vox CS 2 wireless backup camera with 4.3-inch monitor system. Stable and real-time signal transmission. The Auto-Vox wireless backup camera adopts 2.4G wireless technology and delivers a stable image to avoid any interference. This backup camera delivers a wireless transmission range that is ideal for small and mid-sized vehicles that are under 33 feet, such as cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, and trailers. Vivid image restoration and superior night vision. The wireless backup camera for car with its 4.3-inch monitor is designed with the PC1058 sensor, which provides vivid and smooth images. This backup camera with 6 glass lenses and a 0.1 lumen rating presents superior night vision, making it easier and less stressful while reversing your vehicle. Easy two-step installation. The Auto-Vox backup camera for car is fully wireless, making installation as easy as 1, 2, 3. No need to worry about connecting long wires from the camera to the monitor. Simply power the monitor with the included cigarette lighter plug or connect it directly to the fuse box. Connect the wireless rear-view camera to the reverse lights, and your installation is complete. Multifunctional and waterproof. The Auto-Vox backup camera for car is designed with IP68 waterproof standards to withstand rainy, cloudy, foggy weather and will never fog up or cause the wireless backup camera to be blurry. The image can be flipped between mirror, rear view, and front view, allowing you to use the camera as rear backup camera or front view camera. So that's it for the best backup camera for car in 2024. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.